Members of the jury, Mr. Boyd just stood right here before you and told you that Mr. Lay caused his own death. If you recall what you heard from Renee Citron, he stood right here and told you that she didn't tell you that he lunged at the defendant because she didn't see it. She didn't tell you that because it didn't happen, members of the jury. She was less than 5 feet away from her friend when he was killed, members of the jury. If that's what would have happened, she would have saw it. They came before you today with this sheet of paper, this manual that the police department used, that the defendant told you he reviewed over and over again, that Chief Gates told you that she trains and that she's written and justified Miss Lay, her husband, being killed by this manual. Members of the jury, if this manual justifies the killing of that man, this entire manual should be thrown out, rewritten, and something else implemented, because this is not reasonable if it justifies the death as it happened, members of the jury. And they kept asking you to put yourselves, in the shoes of the defendant. He only had a split second. He thought his life was at danger. See things how he saw it. I'd ask you to place yourself in the shoes of Mr. Lay. He wore a costume and was killed. Members of the jury, Halloween is just a couple days from now. Just a few days. And I hope that we do not allow our police department to go out killing people for just because of how they look. He told you that we don't know what happened. We don't know what happened. This man killed this woman's husband because of how he looked. That's exactly what happened. There is no justification for it. Members of the jury, we know exactly what happened. There is no justification for it. Find them liable. Thank you.